Alright, finally I'm done working pulling all those cargoes. I'm really tired right now. I guess I'm just gonna go to my shed and just go to sleep until tomorrow. I guess so. Let's go. Alright, we're almost there. Wait a second. What is that? Hello? Can I help you? Can you speak? Um, where did you come from? Okay, are you lost? Did you come from another world? You're in the island of Sodor. Um, I don't know if you're lost. Oh, do you need to pass through? Am I in the way? Okay, I'll get off the way. I'm sorry. That was so weird. I gotta tell my friends right away. Maybe they know about this.